Alright, man, PullsTv back with another one, man. Alright, so in the previous video I dropped, the previous couple videos I dropped, I was talking about that I had a motor swap for Foxy. So in this video, we are headed. I got my cousin Ramondez Stevens. I'm gonna drop his link to his YouTube channel down below, man. Y'all head over there and subscribe. I got him, man. He finna help me go pick it up, and finna head to his house first, cause Iron Man is out for the count for a little minute. I had to take the intake off and stuff like that. I hadn't put the distributor or nothing back in it, so we're gonna use one of the trucks that he got to go pick it up, and he got an engine horse and all that too. So I'm head over there, man. Before I get into this video, I just want to say this: God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. Now that we got that out the way, let's get into the video. Hey man, y'all look who I done pulled up on, man. Y'all look, man. What this is, a 7.3 or a 6.0?
7.3.
7.3. I was gonna say, I heard 6.0, some piece of, you know what, piece of SH.
No.
6.0 ain't no piece of junk. That's what I heard, nah.
People just be beating the crap out of them.
Come on. Let them glow plug heat up now. Come on, boy. I'm gonna teach you something today. Supposed to wait till you got a light on the post that wait and then say you can start.
I'm looking at it.
Yeah, you gotta wait.
Yeah, I already know.
You gotta wait. I know you never driven no diesel.
I already know how to
Especially
do
a
it,
stick
man.
shift diesel. I know you ain't never did it before.
I've been doing this since you were born, boy.
What? Stop? How old you? Like 15?
I'm younger than you, and I still been doing it for you, boy.
Good God Almighty. There you go. See, I told you just wait till the thing and do what it do. There you go.
How these folks?
Good job, boy.
Hey, he don't be knowing what he's talking about.
Good job, boy. This a diesel too now. Make sure we put diesel fuel in it. Huh? Oh, you gotta put some diesel in here. Damn, bro. Man, I told y'all about these Fords, man. We ain't even make it out the driveway, man. Look. Pop the hood, man. Pop the hood, man.
This is power steering.
Pop the hood, man. Man, we didn't even make it out the yard, man. We didn't even make it out the yard, bro. Come on, put it in there, man. God. This first time I ever broke down before I made it out the yard. That's why if I had to get a diesel, it's gonna be a Dodge. It's gonna be a Dodge, it's gonna be a Cummins.
What's your time?
Big boy Cummins. One stop. Big boy Cummins. Let's go for that. Yeah. Lord of mercy. You help the man out. Come on, man. Trying to help the man out, man. Y'all stay tuned. We gonna try it again, man. Y'all just stay tuned. All right, man. We done made it down here. Trying to help this dude back this truck up. Help this dude back this truck up. Yes, sir. Go leave right now?
Yeah, I'm probably
Alright. Alright, man, we're finna get this engine horse, man. We'll check back in with y'all in just a minute. Alright, man, we got the engine horse in the bed back there. I know y'all can see it. I got my chauffeur right here. Yes, sir. Chauffeur. Look at the camera, nigga. Hey, man. Hey, something happened to me, bro. This is video proof. Y'all take the camera and look at the footage. And who hurt me or killed me? Right here, there you go.
Hey, one thing about it, I don't care. I don't care what I gotta do to prove a point.
Stick shield, he done choked out 15 times, man.
Well, you know, I ain't never did that a day of my life.
This man done choked out 15 times, bro. And I got whiplash. Whiplash, however you pronounce that. I got it. My neck hurt. Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be on a neck brace.
So I told you to bring a neck brace in the way the truck made so much power.
What? Stop, what? Hey, y'all seen in the last clip, or the earlier clip, we had to pull over in the yard. We couldn't even get out the yard. It broke down in the yard, man.
Hey, that truck was running the whole time.
Bruh, broke down in the yard, bro. It took her 30 minutes to get it back running again.
Come on, man. Oh, that ain't right.
Look at it, look at it.
That ain't right, bro.
Look at it, look at it.
That ain't right. Yeah, I don't want to push the truck too hard, bro. He already got whiplash, so I told him to bring his neck
But
brace.
hey, not from the truck. Maybe from you choking off and us being like this when you let out that clutch.
I ain't did that a day of my life. Not even when I was learning how to drive.
Man, come on, man. You know, and you know your car don't make no power. You know your car don't make no power. You have to rail that joke up to $5 grand to get it to roll. Huh?
I'm supposed to say anything.
I'm just saying, bro.
They ain't here to entertain that.
Man, we headed to get this motor, man. Y'all gonna be surprised what it is, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all, bro. Hey, y'all gonna be surprised, but hey, bro, what you think? They gonna be surprised, bro?
I don't know for a fact.
But y'all gonna be surprised, bro. We coming.
Hey,
we coming with the switcheroo for this one, man. Y'all finna be surprised. Man, what are you doing, man?
don't worry about it.
Man, golly, man.
I'm trying to turn the nitrous switch on.
Bus stop.
Yes, sir.
But all right, man, we gonna check in with y'all in a minute when we get over here to pick that motor up, man. Y'all stay tuned. Man, made it over here in one piece. That's what we got right there. Motor and transmission. I ain't gonna use the transmission. Transmission gonna be for sale. But yeah, man, we done made it over here. We get ready to get this bad boy loaded up. If I go on the tailgate. Y'all stay tuned. Let me get this off. Alright, man, we finally got it loaded up. Gonna get ready to take it back to the house and start taking it apart, man. Hey, been rough. I think I think I done worked with Monday is even to death. Cole, working too hard, Cole.
I had to show him how to do all this thing.
That man didn't help me do nothing, bro. Y'all see how I'm sweating? Y'all see how I'm sweating? Look at this dude. Look.
It don't matter.
Barely sweating, bro. I had to do all the work.
That's a good thing, though.
I had to do all the work. All the work. Alright, man. We finna get ready to head back. Get this motor in. Y'all stay tuned. Check back in with y'all in a minute. Man, all I can say is y'all better be ready for the pressure. The pressure finna be applied, man. The pressure finna be applied, buddy. And I got him helping me get the motor, but I'm gonna go outside his head. I swear. How many car links I'm gonna beat you by?
Huh?
How many car links I'm gonna beat you by?
Think you gonna beat me?
How many car links am I gonna beat you by?
In what?
In Foxy with my new bill. How many car links?
Ain't gonna happen.
Man, stop, man. Yeah, I forgot. He on that stuff. I forgot about that. I forgot all about that. But yeah, man, we got this old motor loaded down back there. Got this old motor loaded down, man. We headed back. I don't know how we're gonna get it inside the shop, man, because I got Iron Man parked in front of the door, but we'll figure it out. I might just make him carry the motor now. I know he ain't strong enough, so. But if it's me, I just carry it in there with one hand like this.
Do it then.
I'm gonna carry it in there like this.
Do it then.
Alright.
Do it.
Say less. Y'all stay tuned for the footage. Alright, man, we done made it back. We done struggled to get that motor in here because I got this weak dude right here with me. He ain't got no muscle, man. I told him to go to that gym, man. He won't get in that gym. He won't get in that gym, man. I told him to get in that gym, man. He ain't in there, man. But we got the motor in here, man. Let me hit this light for y'all. Hit this old light. Hit this old light. Got a transmission over here for sale. It is a AOD. I think it came out of Lincoln. So if there ain't anybody interested in that, just let me know. And there goes a little glimpse of the motor. We got it in here, man. Still on the engine hoist. Got an engine stand over there. I'm gonna put it on, man. But y'all stay tuned, man, for the next upcoming video. I'm gonna show y'all what the motor is, and we're gonna talk about the plans for it and what it's gonna be. All right, man. So y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be a long build. We're gonna get ready to go to the machine shop and all that. Y'all stay tuned for the plans and the actual reveal of the engine. Y'all stay tuned for it. Big shout out to my cousin, Ramonde Steven 4480. Y'all go over there to subscribe. I'm gonna drop it down in the description, man. Y'all go over to his channel and subscribe. Hold on. Y'all go over there and subscribe. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. PullsTv, gone.